Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today our lesson is how we can select text vertically. We know that we can select text horizontally, but most of the people don't know how can we select text vertically. Let's see how can we do that. Here is some doctor names, and we want to delete doctor from this name. How can we do that? Just press Alt key and drag the mouse below and select all the letter which we want to delete and press delete key. It will remove very quickly. And now just press Alt key and select first letter of all the name, and we can make it bold. Very simple. Just press Alt key and select first letter and make it bold. And it's very simple techniques. We can select text vertically. See you next lecture.